Welcome to paradise. Today, we're giving you a full tour of the Hilton Waikiki Beach, a luxurious escape nestled just steps from world-famous Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. From stunning ocean views to delicious dining and everything in between, let's see why this resort deserves a spot on your travel list. As soon as we walked in, we were greeted with warm aloha vibes. The lobby is sleek and modern with island-inspired touches, tropical florals, wood accents, and open-air elegance. The staff was incredibly welcoming, and check-in was a breeze. Before taking a tour of our Ocean View King Room, I want to answer a common question we are asked all the time. How do we get the best rates when booking our hotel stays? The answer? We used planin.com to save quite a bit of money on our stay here at Hilton Waikiki Beach. Planin.com is a new booking website that partners with familiar platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, and Priceline to bring you even more discounts on different hotels worldwide. For example, let's look at pricing for several hotels around Waikiki Beach for a 3-night stay for 2 adults on May 19 to the 22nd using Planin.com. As you can see, Planin.com offers a sizable 32% discount at Hilton Waikiki Beach. Check out this huge 41% discount at Hilton Hawaiian Village. Hilton Garden in Waikiki Beach gets a decent 25% off its already low rates. Or how about this amazing 57% off standard rates at Outrigger Waikiki Paradise Hotel? So what's the catch? You have to be a Planin member and logged in to be able to access these discounts. But the best part is that being a member is completely free. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and be logged in to Planin to access these discounts. If you sign up using our referral link in the description or scanning the QR code, you really help out our channel and allow us to bring you more hotel videos like this. Now let's get back to our tour. Now let's make our way to our room on the 16th floor. Let's check out room 1610 here at the Hilton Waikiki Beach. This is a king room ocean view. So first, let's make a left and look at the bathroom. It has a single sink with a nice mirror. It has see-through glass so you can see the view. And over here, there's a hairdryer and another mirror. There's the toilet and has a very spacious walk-in shower with Ali'i products. And the closet is in the bathroom. It's very kind of awkward, but it's behind this door. Let's open it up. So there we have an iron and ironing board. And some hangers. Now let's check out the rest of the room. So you can have adjoining rooms if you have more people with you. And here is the king-size bed. And they gave us a welcome card, and it says, please visit our lobby concierge desk within 24 hours of your arrival to receive your free welcome gift. So we'll check that out later. There's some USB plugs here for your devices. And here's the big screen TV. There's a safe right here, and the other shelves are just for storage. And right here we have a coffee maker and a water kettle. So it just pulls out. And over here we have a small fridge with a couple of water bottles that are free if you're a Hilton Honors member. Ice bucket, a nice office desk, and a lounge chair so you can sit there and enjoy the view. But the best part of this room is this balcony with the ocean view. Let's check it out. So there's a couple of chairs here and a small table. And here's the spectacular view we have of Waikiki Beach.
So we really like this room, especially the view here at Hilton Waikiki Beach.
Now let's talk food. The on-site restaurant Mac 24/7 is open daily from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. It's known for its massive portions and island-inspired dishes. Let's check out some of the items we had for breakfast during our 2-night stay. The ube pancakes were massive and beautifully presented, however, it was way too sweet. We also had the kalbi breakfast, which was a large portion, but it was way too salty. The crab cake benedict was disappointing as there was too much batter and not enough crab. The chicken katsu breakfast was a decent portion and it was properly seasoned. Overall, the breakfast here was just okay, but the great thing is, there's a ton of dining options just steps from the hotel. Adjacent to Mac 24/7 is Mac to Go, which is open daily from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. It offers a wide selection of drinks, freshly baked items, and breakfast sandwiches for convenience. Don't forget to stop by the lobby bar, which is open daily from 3 to 11 p.m. It's a great spot to mingle, meet other travelers, or just kick back and take in the island vibes. Some evenings even feature live music, adding that extra touch of aloha to your night. On the 6th floor, you'll find a pool deck, complete with a heated outdoor pool, a whirlpool spa, and plenty of loungers, daybeds, and cabanas for soaking up that Hawaiian sun. There's also a small putting green for families and other games spread throughout the deck. Food and drinks can be ordered at Hang Ten Bar and Grill, which is also located at the pool deck. One of the best things about Hilton Waikiki is its location. It's just a 5-minute stroll to Waikiki Beach, where we spend a couple hours each day enjoying the warm waters and fine sand. I found it strange that the hotel only offers 1 free beach chair per room. Additional chairs require an extra fee. Looking for a unique experience in Waikiki? The Magical Mystery Show at the hotel brings old-school parlor magic to life with world-class magicians performing mind-blowing illusions in sleight of hand.
Let's take a look at the fitness center here. So they have a cable machine, a rowing machine, there's one for your abs. They have some treadmills and some ellipticals and a Peloton bike back there. Some free weights with another bench. And they have some more weights over here with some medicine balls and the TRX cables. It's a small gym, but it's very functional.
Asana Spa offers a serene escape with Hawaiian-inspired treatments designed to relax and rejuvenate. From soothing massages to revitalizing facials, each service blends natural ingredients with island traditions. It's the perfect spot to unwind and recharge after a day of exploring paradise. Hilton Waikiki Beach offers a versatile array of event venues, ideal for everything from intimate gatherings to grand celebrations. With over 27,000 square feet of flexible indoor and outdoor space, the resort caters to various event needs. Guests don't have to leave the hotel for souvenirs. Golden Boutique offers a curated mix of Hawaiian-inspired items. From handcrafted keepsakes and local jewelry to everyday essentials, it's a convenient spot for unique gifts or necessities. Located right inside the hotel, it's an easy stop for travelers wanting a piece of island charm.
This is the small business center they have, where they have a couple of computers and some printers. And I don't know who uses a fax machine, but they still have a fax machine here.
Fly Car Rental is conveniently located on the second floor and offers a fleet of reliable vehicles to suit your needs. We really enjoyed our stay at Hilton Waikiki Beach. From the moment we walked in, the staff made us feel welcome with our warm aloha vibe. Our room was clean and modern, and the view from the balcony was stunning. The food at Mac 24/7 was just okay, but that wasn't a big deal since there are so many great places to eat nearby. We also loved how close the hotel is to Waikiki Beach. We spent our afternoons there soaking in the views. So whether you're here for a honeymoon, family vacation, or just a relaxing tropical escape, Hilton Waikiki Beach is a solid pick for comfort, convenience, and those unforgettable island views. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more luxury travel content, and let me know in the comments if you would stay here.